Hey guys, what is up? Jason Fleagle here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the MPOW Bluetooth wireless headphones. Really excited to be sharing this unboxing video with you guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. And welcome back guys. I am going to be doing the unboxing of the MPOW wireless Bluetooth sport headphones. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I have intentionally not done any kind of research before this video just because I wanted to do my thoughts. The box has never been opened, so I want to do my thoughts and views as I am recording the video. So obviously the outside of the case, you've got carrying case, waterproof, different earplug sizes, you've got your high definition sound, deep bass, you've got your specification information here. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got on the inside. Pretty cool box too, if I might add. And I will link to the listing on Amazon in the description. That way you guys can check it out for yourselves. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's a pretty cool carrying case. Of course, you got your important reminder card. You've got your manual here. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like as we open this up. Okay, so obviously you've got the headphones in here. You've got the different sizes of the headphone buds. I guess that's another size too. And then the charging cable. So looking at these, I like the design of them. Where's the charging port? This must be it. Yep. Okay, so the charging port is right there. I like that, how it's got a little flap on there, so any of the sweat or water won't get in. That's one of the things I love to do. I love to run in the rain, so if I have waterproof headphones, it's something that's really important to me. You've got your looks like volume controls here. Yeah, so overall I really like MPOW did a really good job with the packaging of the materials here. I really like it. I can't wait to test these out. Please like and subscribe on this video and subscribe to my channel, just because I'm going to be doing an in-depth follow-up review video to this video here. So yeah, like and subscribe. I'll link to the video. I'll link to my channel in the video. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing. Again, if you have any specific questions, let me know in the comment section. But again, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review video sometime in the near future once I get a chance to really test these out. So thanks guys, and as always, remember to keep moving forward. Thanks.